Is your birthday approaching? Are you planning to throw an epic party? We're here to help you make an outstanding balloon backdrop. Start off by blowing up a couple of balloons. Use an electric inflator and a balloon sizer. We've decided to use light green for the big balloons. Repeat the same step with a bunch of smaller balloons. This time we're using silver as the main color. Once you have blown up all the big and small balloons, begin tying them together. Place the gray balloons in the center of the green balloons. Nicely secure both groups of balloons. Blow up some more balloons and create more layers. All you have to do is follow the same steps. Next, blow up the letter balloons. Connect the letters with tape. Now let's blow up a long balloon. Then fold it as suggested. Use hot glue along the process. Next, blow up the number balloons. Connect the numbers together using a long balloon. It's a fun tutorial, isn't it? If you find this step difficult, go for your own method. Make sure the number balloons are nicely secured to each other. Let's move to the next step. You'll need a 10 by 10 backdrop. All you have to do now is to secure the balloons to the backdrop. Arrange the balloons to match your preferences. We love the combination of colors. Connect the parts with hot glue. Make sure everything stays in place. Blow up some more small balloons. You'll need them to fill the space between the big balloons. Add as many pieces as you prefer. An amazing DIY balloon backdrop.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.